Yeah, the first filter we probably put it through is whether we think, and we know instantly, I mean, whether it's a business we're going to understand, and whether it's a business that if it passes through that, it's whether a company can have a sustainable edge, and that gets rid of a very significant percentage of the things people have. They always want to tell you some story or anything, and I'm sure they regard me and Charlie as very arbitrary in terms of, in the middle of the first sentence saying, well, we appreciate the call, but we're not interested. I mean, they just think if they explain something enough. I get letters on this all the time, but we really can tell in the middle of the first sentence usually whether those two factors exist. And if we can't understand it, obviously it's not going to have, we can't make a decision as to whether it has a sustainable edge. And if we can't understand it, we very often can come to the conclusion that it's not the kind of business where it will have a sustainable edge. So 98% of the conversations we can end, in the middle of somebody's first sentence, which of course goes over very big with the caller, but and then sometimes if you're talking about an entire business, we can tell by who we're dealing with whether a deal's ever going to work out or not. I mean,
that Warren was alluding to is this concept of the quality person.